Ever dreamed of sipping cocktails on a beach, your money working harder than you? It's not just a dream. It's financial freedom. And it's within your reach. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to growing your wealth and living off your investments. Ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Let's dive in. First things first, what does it even mean to live off your investments? It's when your money makes money. Dividends, rental income, interest. It's all about creating a steady stream of cash flow, even while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? But how do we get there? Time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is like magic. Your money earns interest, then that interest earns interest, and so on. It snowballs over time. So start small, but start now. Even if it's just a few dollars a week, it adds up. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Think stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even a sprinkle of cryptocurrency if you're feeling adventurous. Overwhelmed? Don't worry. There are plenty of resources and professionals to help you. It's not just about making more money, it's about keeping more of what you make. Cut unnecessary expenses, pay off high-interest debt, and live below your means. Create a budget and stick to it. It's like a roadmap for your financial journey. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive. It's about empowering yourself to make conscious choices about your money. Don't just rely on your 9-to-5. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or even start your own business. The more income streams you have, the faster you can reach your goals. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Turn those into income-generating opportunities. Knowledge is power. The more you understand about money, the better you can manage it. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. There's a wealth of information out there. The financial world is constantly evolving. Stay informed and adapt your strategies as needed. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect overnight success. Stay disciplined and keep investing, even when the market fluctuates. Just like a tree, your investments need time to grow. Nurture them with patience and consistency. Celebrate your wins along the way, no matter how small. It keeps you motivated and on track. Don't be afraid to ask for help. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you avoid costly mistakes. Think of them as your financial coach, helping you navigate the complexities of the market. Your financial situation and goals will change over time. Make sure your investment strategy evolves with them. Rebalance your portfolio, adjust your risk tolerance, and stay on top of market trends. It's easy to get caught up in lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to overspend, even when your income increases. Remember, true wealth is about financial security and freedom, not flashy possessions. Once you've achieved financial freedom, don't forget to share your wealth with others. Giving back not only helps those in need, but it also brings a sense of purpose and fulfillment. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Financial freedom is about creating a life you love, not just accumulating money. So start today. Take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and create a life of abundance and joy. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable financial future that allows you to live life on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today. You have the power to create the life you want. Believe in yourself, take action, and never give up on your dreams. Here are a few extra tips to help you on your journey. Consider real estate investments for long-term growth and passive income. Automate your savings and investments to make it effortless. Stay informed about tax laws and take advantage of deductions and credits. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks, but always do your research. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in your financial goals. Growing your wealth and living off your investments is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. It's about making smart choices, being disciplined, and staying focused on your long-term goals. So, take the first step today. Start saving, Start investing and start building the financial future you deserve. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.